Welcome to my channel Learn with Fun and Creativity. Today we'll learn how to add buttons while developing the GUI in Python. Let's go. First you have to import from tkinter. So this is very default syntax. Then we'll declare the class for window. Here we have some default module for recording. Self.master, self.pack, and here we are giving fill equal to both and expand equal to 1. So while developing the GUI, you have to add the definition in it and you have to write down the default parameters for master and pack. Let's go now add the button to the window. So for this we have the default method button. Here we will pass the parameters to the button function. Button self comma text equal to, so what you want to display on the button, that you have to write here. So I am writing here click me. So it will tell the user what action that button will do. Now we have to place the button on the frame or you are where you want to display the button. So b.pack will fix the button by default on the top place. Now you can select the different place for the button by using b.pack. Let's try out other options. Now we'll add this button in our definition so that your program will become modular. Button function self comma text equal to click me. Here we are for the sake of understanding we are printing hello text on the command prompt. So after clicking on the button, what you have to do, that you have to write down under the command. So command equal to button function. So when the button is clicked, it will display or it will print hello. So here you can see hello is displayed. Now b.pack side equal to left, it will be packing the button on the left side. Now we'll write on the right side, it will pack the button on the right side like this. So you can pack the button, you can place the button on the top side, left side, right side, or on the bottom side of the window. Now run the program. Here we have put two different buttons, click me and click again. So click me on the left side and click again packed on the right side. Now we'll place the button click me on the top side of the window and click again on the bottom side of the window. So you can view the output. So this is how you can place the different buttons. If like, comment and share the video. Thank you.